Hi Sam. I'm excited for today's session. We're going to learn the word
Fest.
Hi Alex. That sounds interesting. What does
Fest.
mean?
Fest.
means firm or solid, but it can also mean a festival or celebration, depending on the context. The most common usage is for something that is fixed or strong, like
Ein fester Tisch.
which means a solid table.
Oh, so it can mean both things? Are there any tricky parts to it?
Yes, there can be. For example, don't confuse
Fest.
with the English word fest, which refers to a celebration. In German, while
Fest.
can mean festival, it has other meanings too.
Can you tell me more about the grammar of
Fest.
Sure.
Fest.
Is an adjective, so it doesn't have a specific article or plural form. But when we use it in a sentence, we might say
Der feste Tisch.
for the solid table. In the comparative form, you would say
Fester.
for firmer, and the superlative is
Am festesten.
meaning the firmest.
what about other forms?
In terms of opposites, you could use
Weich.
meaning soft. So,
Fest.
and
Weich.
are opposites.
That's good to know. Where does the word
Fest.
come from?
Fest.
Has its roots in Old High German, where it meant firm or fixed. Over time, it evolved in Middle High German, but the core meaning stayed mostly the same. It's fascinating how words can maintain their essence for centuries.
That's really interesting.
Now, let's break down the word.
Fest.
It stands alone as an adjective, so we can't split it into a prefix or suffix. But we can think of it as a strong foundation, like building a solid Lego structure.
I like that analogy.
If we look at similar words, we can group them by their meanings. For example, words with the same root include
Festhalten.
which means to hold on, and
Festlegen.
meaning to determine.
What about other examples?
Well, we can also find words like
Festlich.
which means festive, and
Festung.
meaning fortress. All these words share the notion of strength or celebration.
Can we practice using
Fest.
in real-life situations?
Absolutely. Imagine you're at a festival. You could say,
Das Fest ist sehr schön.
which means the festival is very beautiful. Can you repeat that?
Das Fest ist sehr schön.
Perfect. Another situation could be when discussing furniture. You might say,
Der Tisch ist fest.
meaning the table is solid.
I see.
Der Tisch ist fest.
Great job. Lastly, if you're at a construction site, you could say,
Die Wände sind fest.
which means the walls are solid.
Die Wände sind fest.
Now, let's talk about some gender hints. Since
Fest.
is an adjective, there's no gender, but if we use it with a noun like
Das Fest.
for the festival, remember that it's neuter.
Any tips to remember that?
You could visualize a festive celebration with balloons and laughter, which might help you remember that it's.
Das Fest.
Moving on to usage notes.
Fest.
Is usually informal when describing something solid, but when talking about a festival, it can be both formal and informal. You might hear phrases like
Ein festes Angebot.
meaning a firm offer, or
Fest verwurzelt.
which means firmly rooted.
Are there any commonly confused words?
Yes, people often mix up
Fest.
with,
Festlich.
which means festive.
Can you give me some example sentences?
Sure. For instance,
Das Fest findet im Sommer statt.
means the festival takes place in summer. Another one is
Die Möbel sind sehr fest.
meaning the furniture is very solid.
I like that.
How about
Ich habe ein festes Ziel.
that means I have a firm goal.
That's a good one.
Now, let's do a quick recall check. What does
Fest.
mean?
It means firm or solid, and also festival.
Correct. Can you give me a sentence using
Fest.
Der Tisch ist fest.
excellent? What's the comparative form of
Fest.
Is it?
Fester.
yes? And how about the opposite?
Weich.
Great. Last question, where does the word
Fest.
come from?
It comes from Old High German.
Perfect, you nailed it.
Thanks, Alex. What's the main takeaway from today?
Today we learned that
Fest.
means firm or solid and can also refer to a festival. Remember its roots in Old High German and how to use it in context. You did an amazing job today, Sam. Keep practicing, and you'll master it in no time.